All right, let's look at how to build a Google form. You're going to start in your Google browser, go to your apps, go down to forms. It's usually a purple one. All right, in your forms, I always start with a blank quiz. If it's not here in your top, you can go to template gallery, and under education, it will be there. So once that loads, you're going to be able to customize it how you want. So I like to start with my theme. You can change your fonts, your sizes. You can add a header, which is a fun image. And then you can change the color, change the background, any of those fun things. Okay, first we need to change the title. So I'm going to click right here. We're going to do quiz 1. Yay. All right, description. This might be your CFA for Unit 1. I have no idea. All right, first question. It starts out as multiple choice because that's the default. It's completely up to you if you want to do multiple choice. There's lots of different options here, okay? For CFAs, multiple choice is the most common, but you can do any of them. So we'll start with multiple choice. So how many miles to the moon? I don't think moon is capitalized, is it? No idea. Okay, then option 1A, add all. I love Google. Look at it just did for me. Woohoo! Okay, then answer key. That's what you're going to want to click next. Which one is the correct answer? Apparently there are B miles to the moon. Who knew? All right, points. Make sure you have given it points, however many you think is appropriate. You can also add answer feedback. So for incorrect answers, you can say check page 83. For correct answers, you can say awesome. You can also add a video or a link to a website if you think that will help them. Then you're going to save it. It tells you all the fun things here, and then you can click done. And that one's done. So then we're going to add another question. That's this plus sign here. All right, this one is going to be a short answer. So how many ducks in a row? Okay, so short answer. You can still use the answer key. So one of the correct answers could be the number 52. Another correct answer could be if they wanted to type out 52. And if you think they're going to forget the comma, there we go. Mark all other answers incorrect. And then, of course, you can also add feedback. So, again, page 83, people. All right. Now, let's say that I wanted them to get this question correct before they moved on. That is when I'm going to add in sections. Now, they will only be able to see one section at a time. So I'm going to move section 2 down here, question 2 into section 2. All right, now, from here, I'm going to hit the 3 dots. Go to section based on answer. If they get it wrong, they have to stay in section 1. If they get it right, they get to go to the next section. So they're only going to see one section at a time. After section 1, they go to the next section. And this one's not going to have that option because there's not another section to go to. So if you wanted to add another section and another question, you could do the same thing with section 2. Okay, so section here, add a question to it, and then go to section based on answer. All right, super fun. Always make your questions required. That way they have to answer them. Right or wrong, they have to answer them, okay? All right, that is how to build a quiz in Google Forms.